Hello, everyone. I'm Lillian, the founder and president of Time to Sign. And I really encourage you to teach sign language to your baby. I have to tell you, it changed my world when I started signing with my son. And it just works. It works beautifully. Your children will be less frustrated. They'll communicate. They'll be able to tell you what they want and what they need much quicker and stop that frustration. So I'm going to tell you about the most important signs to do, some basic signs to do with your baby today, okay? And I'm going to do them in English, in Spanish, and in sign. I'm using my handy dandy, everyone can sign infant toddler. So here we go. What's a big one? What is something that they need to tell you? They want to eat, comer, eat, drink. They want to drink. Maybe they want milk, leche. So they want to eat, comer, they want leche, milk. Maybe they want water, agua. Maybe they want some water. Maybe they're all done, they're finished. Push it away. Terminé, acabé, I'm finished, mommy, I'm finished. Maybe they're dirty. Maybe they need a diaper change. These two fingers, diaper, sucio, maybe dirty diaper, pañal. They need a diaper change. Maybe they need help, ayuda, help. Help me, ayúdame. Help you, help. More, más. More to eat, more to drink, more. Maybe they want to get up, right? Get up, arriba. Maybe they want to get down, abajo. Up, down, finished. Play, maybe they want to play, jugar. Maybe they're tired. Cansado, cansada, tired. Maybe they want to sleep, dormir, sleepy. Maybe they need a bath time, bañarse, bath time. Maybe they're hurt. Maybe their ears hurt, duele, oídos hurt. Maybe their mouth hurts, maybe their tummy hurts. You can ask, ¿dónde? Where? Where does it hurt? ¿Dónde? Where does it hurt? The big one, I love you. I love you. Te quiero. I love you. Maybe bathroom for the older ones, right? Bathroom, tea, bathroom, baño. And maybe touch. No touch, no toques, toques, no toques. See? No. See, no, touch. Maybe no and yes. No, see. No, this is an S. Yes, no. So those are some basic signs that I want you to start with your baby. But the big ones, anything that you're doing every day. Are you tired? Are you sleepy? Do you want to eat? Do you want to drink? Do you want more? Do you want some milk? Do you want some water? Are you thirsty? ¿Tienes sed? Are you thirsty? Do you want to get up? You want to get down? Are you finished? Do you want to play? You want to read a book? Let's read a book. Let's do some music, música. Have fun with your baby and learn to communicate early. It will change the trajectory of their ability to communicate much better as adults. Bye. For more, visit my website, www.timetosign.com.